Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming device compatibility and network parity. This saves time. First, check whether your TV or dongle supports Chromecast, AirPlay, Miracast, or DLNA and enable that mode. Next, make sure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Do not use a guest or isolated SSID. Finally, update your phone OS and the casting app so protocol mismatches don't interrupt setup. Once done, open the app you want to cast from and look for the cast icon. Once you've opened the app and tap the cast icon, you'll see available devices. Select your TV or dongle by name. If a pairing code appears on the TV, enter or accept it on your phone. This prevents accidental connections. Grant any microphone or local network permissions the phone requests because casting requires them. Then, configure streaming preferences. Choose resolution, subtitle track, and audio output in the app so playback matches your bandwidth and TV capabilities. After configuration, content should begin on the TV. To finish a session, tap the cast icon again and choose Stop or Disconnect from the device list. This frees the TV for other users. If casting fails, restart the router, TV, and phone in that order to clear network leases and background conflicts. Make sure the app has local network and permission access. Some phones require explicit permission. As a last resort, try a wired HDMI adapter if wireless casting remains unstable. This bypasses network issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.